Hey everybody, Dr. Shawn Talbott here. Hey, we're going to talk about this F to B ratio that we've talked about before. So, Firmicutes-to-Bacteroides ratio. Firmicutes basically being a class of bacteria that are really good at harvesting calories from your diet. So, if you have lots of Firmicutes, you tend to gain weight. Versus the B, which is Bacteroides, which are a class of bacteria that are less good at harvesting calories. So, if you have a lot of Bacteroides, you might be that person that can eat whatever you want and never gain weight. So, we've talked before about how you can change that F to B ratio. You can basically lower it down so that you're less likely to gain weight and more likely to lose weight if that's what you're trying to do. So how do you do that? Like, what's the best approach to do that? Well, the easiest way to do it, the simplest way, the most effective way, is to eat less processed foods. That's going to lower your firmicutes, and eat more fiber. That's going to raise your Bacteroides, right? So there, totally simple, but easier said than done. So if you want some other approaches, some other tips, there's a few things that you can do that I'll put this in the notes below. And I'll actually put a link so you can grab a couple of the products that I recommend that can help shift this F to B ratio. So first thing is a prebiotic fiber supplement. You can get fiber supplements that try to not get a fiber supplement that's just one type of fiber. I like a diversity of fibers, right? Get prebiotic fibers that come from galactomannan and from pectin and from a variety of different fibers, because that's going to feed a variety of different bacteria in your gut. Try eating more fermented foods. So these are things like yogurt, kefir, kombucha, sauerkraut, kimchi. In fact, I'm actually drinking one of my products right now, a fermented tea, which is kombucha. Delicious. That can help change the diversity of the microbiome and change the environment in your gut towards shifting that F to B ratio in a good direction. If you're eating more fibers, you're going to be making more of these compounds called short-chain fatty acids, one in particular called butyrate. So eating more plants, eating more fibers is going to solve that problem. So you're going to have more short-chain fatty acids. That's going to help shift your F to B ratio. But you can also supplement with short-chain fatty acids. There are butyrate supplements that you can take in capsule form, in liquid form, that can help to, change that F to B ratio. And as a result of that, you have better fat metabolism, you have better blood sugar control, you have better appetite regulation. They're nearly miraculous in what they do. The only downside is that they're a little bit smelly, they're a little bit oily, right? Because it's a fatty acid. And so you have to have it processed in just the right way so it's tolerable, right? So you can take it as a daily supplement. The other thing you can do is make sure you have a diverse microbiome. So this means, getting a diversity of fibers, eating lots of plants, reducing your intake of processed foods, but you can also supplement with different probiotic bacteria. And so if you're going to choose a probiotic supplement to help to change your F to B ratio in a positive direction to help with your weight loss or reduce your weight regain if you've already lost your weight, you're going to want to make sure you get a probiotic supplement that has a diversity of different strains and a diversity of different species. So you're going to want to have several lactobacilli species, several bifidobacterium species. You're going to want to make sure you have Akkermansia in there, which is associated with a healthier F to B ratio. So those are a few things you can do. In the show notes, you're going to see a link to my F to B ratio stack. This is a fiber supplement that gives you 7 different kinds of fiber. It's a probiotic supplement that gives you 6 different probiotic species. There's a specific Akkermansia strain product in there, and there's a high dose butyrate, short chain fatty acid supplement. And all of these together can help you change that F to B ratio and really support you in reducing your processed foods to lower your firmicutes, increasing your fiber intake to increase your Bacteroides, and then you can use these supplements to help you along that journey and get your F to B ratio in range so you're less likely to be harvesting those calories from your food and more likely to lose fat. Okay? Check it out. Thanks. Bye-bye.